Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb has said salaried class has been given the maximum relief. Speaking at a post-budget press briefing, Finance Minister said salaries and pensions have been benchmarked with inflation. More details in this report by our correspondent Musharraf Zahoor.
Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb, while addressing the post-budget news conference, reiterated the significance of the tariff reforms under the national tariff policy. He stated that the steps taken on custom duties are essential to take the country forward towards an export-led economy.
Overall, 7,000 tariff lines हैं. 4,000 tariff lines में additional custom duty को zero कर दिया गया है. उसमें से 2,700 जो टैरिफ लाइंस हैं उनमें कस्टम ड्यूटीज़ को कम किया गया है और ओवरऑल जो 2,000 टैरिफ लाइंस हैं दोज आर डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड विद दोज रॉ मटेरियल्स एंड इंटरमीडिएरी गुड्स जिसके बेसिस पे exporters को फायदा पहुंचेगा.
On salaries and pensions, the finance minister stressed the need for a benchmark, adding that the inflation is declining. Similarly, the salary or pension has to be benchmarked with the inflation. Speaking on the agriculture sector, Aurangzeb said the government negotiated with the International Monetary Fund on the directions of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif not to impose additional tax on fertilizers and pesticides.
इस साल हमने जो फर्टिलाइज़र और पेस्टिसाइड पे टैक्स एडिशनल टैक्स आयद करना था, वज़ीर आज़म पाकिस्तान की हिदायत के मुताबिक वी नेगोशिएटेड दैट विद द फंड कि ये अब एडिशनल जो टैक्स लगना था जो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड क्रिटिकल इनपुट्स इनटू एग्रीकल्चर उस पर ना लगाया जाए. एग्रीकल्चर का जो फाइनेंसिंग ग्रोथ है वो हमने कल बजट स्पीच में उसका जिक्र किया और ख़ास तौर पे जो स्मॉल फार्मर्स हैं उनके लिए जो कर्ज़दाद दिए जाएंगे are going to be very, very critical.
Responding to a question, the finance minister underscored the need to reduce the role of the middleman in the agriculture sector and increase the financing for small farmers. Responding to a question on bond payments, the finance minister stated the first installment of Eurobonds worth $500 million was due in September, while the next was due in March. The minister reiterated his hopes for Pakistan launching Panda bonds this year. When asked about a recent increase in the salaries of the Senate chairman and the National Assembly speaker, the minister stated that the last time their salaries were adjusted was in 2016. To another question about delinking population from the National Finance Commission award, Aurangzeb asserted that everything will be done in consultation with the provinces. The finance minister noted that the government has taken two very concrete measures to bring the cash-based economy of 9.4 trillion rupees or more towards documentation. Finance Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb has vowed to continue government's reforms agenda and also introduce legislation to expand the tax net. Musharraf Zahoor, PTV World, Islamabad.